Hey my friends, welcome. Looking to make some money online with no investment? GoTranscript might be the perfect starting point. So firstly, go to GoTranscript.com and scroll to the bottom. Click Apply as Transcriptionist. So just go to the website, scroll to the very bottom, and there will be a button. As you can see, Join as a transcriber. Press on that, and in here you will be able to start. So after that, of course, sign up and create an account. You'll see a style guide. This is super important. Study it because you'll be tested on it. Take the sample transcription test. If it's not hard, but accuracy matters. Once approved, you can start picking real jobs. You'll be transcribing audio or video files and submitting them directly on the platform. Most files pay around $0.60 per audio minute. And they pay every Friday via PayPal. You require no experience. You have flexible hours, work anytime. PayPal is the only withdrawal method. It's safe. Test failure, you can reapply later. That's how to get started on this platform. If you found this helpful, hit like and check the description. Guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.